Adding tax and deposits to a budget. There are two ways to add a tax to your budget. Go into the Add button, select Tax, indicate what kind of tax it is, choose percentage or dollar amount, and add the percentage here. Click Save. Now, this tax amount will be assigned to all the items in this list of specs. That tax amount will also be assigned to anything you've added to your budget over here that has the T. The T means taxable. So as you can see, we've added styling allowance and an installation list. These are now going to be taxable, and that total amount will show up in the grand total. You can delete the tax by using the trash icon here. The other way to add tax is to go item level markup, call this tax, whatever type you need. Do not indicate it's taxable. Save it. Then you can go down the list and you can indicate the tax amount for each item individually. You can even change to be a dollar amount instead. To request a deposit, go to the Add button, select Deposit. You can make this say deposit or balance. This could be a dollar amount or fixed. Save this, and then you'll see that deposit will show up over here on the right. When you need to generate a report showing all this information, go to your Reports tab, and you can generate budgets, proposals, invoices, and you can filter by which information here will show up.